Heat transfer rollers, industrial equipment that use efficient and uniform heating on the surface of materials or workpieces to achieve processing and treatment. Heat transfer rollers are commonly used industrial equipment with the following features. 1. Efficient heating. Heat transfer rollers use specially designed heating elements to provide rapid and efficient heat, resulting in fast heating. 2. Uniform heating. The surface temperature distribution of heating rollers is uniform, ensuring proper heating of all parts of the heated object, thus improving processing quality. 3. Temperature control. Heat transfer rollers are equipped with temperature control systems, allowing precise adjustment of heating temperature as needed, providing flexible heating options. 4. Wide applications. Heat transfer rollers are widely used in plastic processing, paper printing, coating drying, laminating, textile, and other fields, enabling various treatments like heating, drying, and scorching. Whether it is in plastic product manufacturing or paper printing industries, heat transfer rollers play an essential role, providing efficient and uniform heating, bringing convenience and benefits in various industrial processes. Thank you for watching.